Hello. So for this video, I'll be showing you how I build store from scratch, Shopify store from scratch. So I got this product, this one. It's a two-in-one sunblock and makeup setter. This is actually the old product that I built for my other client, and it's the same. I'll be making the same product for today, but for a different store. So yeah, let's start. So start with adding the product. So go to products and then add products. Product name you can just copy because it's you can change it though, or but for this one I just um, copy what is the competitor's product name. And then for the images, I did already generate images with AI, and I already have a video on this channel on how I make AI images. So you can just check that out. So this is the product on white background. I just added a logo, and then I just generated kind of aesthetic main image with ChatGPT. So I will show you how I did it. So for the prompt, I use Claude, but for the image generation, I use ChatGPT Pro. Okay, so I'll show you what I did. So with Claude AI, I just open new chat, and then I need a chat GPT image prompt to recreate this image with my new branding. So new branding meaning um, this one, because the competitor have different branding. So if you are making a new product, you can just say recreate this image with my new product. But for this one, since I'm doing the same product, I said new branding. And change the layout of the image. It needs to be 80% different. So we will not copy the competitor's image entirely. Before ChatGPT, we just used to copy and paste competitors' images. However, it's risky because the competitor saw that you are using their product. I mean, your product images. They can send copyright appeal to Shopify, and they will take down your client store. So you can avoid that with AI nowadays. So this is how we do. And then it needs to be 80% different, but the important is keep the messaging. So the messaging here it says sets makeup and protects skin. Okay, so if you can see it's Zelaro. Now I uploaded my new product with the new logo. All right, so this is what Claude provided me, and then I just paste it here. You can see. So same structure. Kung paano nyo in-upload dito sa Claude yung um, competitor's image na gusto nyo i-copy or recreate, and then the product as well, do it the same here but with a okay. So this is what it gives. And then, since this is a beauty product, it doesn't make sense bakit meron siyang green, and then this is actually not a health product. So instead of just rebutting, kasi um, before I joined any AI workshop, ang ginagawa ko is nagre-reply ako dito. Sabi ko, baguhin mo. And then, because I don't like that, it doesn't make sense. And I don't recommend doing that with the chat GPT that you have initially created the prompt first, because the more malabo na prompt, mas lalabo yung ibibigay. So what I recommend you to do sa mga meron ng mga experience with prompting and creating AI images, do it here. See? So I uploaded the image here, yung result niya sa unang prompt, and then I said this is what it generates, but this is for beauty product. Yung background on the ground doesn't make sense. Give me an updated prompt. So sabihin niyo kung ano yung naiisip nyo design, pwede yon. pwede din yung mga reklamo nyo, yung mga ayaw nyo sa binigay niya. Okay, so this is the second prompt that was provided. And then I paste it here. See, same pa rin. And then this is what it generates. And okay naman na siya. Kaso para siyang pangkasal. So, again, dito ko siya na-replyan sa Claude. What it said is that looks nice, but I don't think the background makes sense for the product as my main image. Okay? Kasi sa main image yung gagawin ko. Like, dito, pang-replace ko sa pinakaunang image. And then, para maintindihan niya, kasi wala siyang context kung ano yung product ko. So, I just asked to recreate, but this bottle only doesn't really have any context. So, I tried to feed Claude, more context para maintindihan niya. Tapos, since we're asking them or it to create a content for us that makes sense para sa product mo. So, I copy the competitor's content or copy, and then I paste it here. And then, naglagay ako ng, now give me updated prompt. And then, I said here, I don't like to have a sunlight for my main image because when I just put this, nagbigay siya ng sunlight edges. See? Ito. Binigyan niya ako ng sunlight. Since, sinabi ko dito na SPF, may SPF benefit siya. So, alright. Ito na naman yung binigay niya. Okay. So, initially, meron siyang pa-flowers. Wait. Okay. So, after, ito pala. Ito, may pa-flowers si ChatGPT. And then, so, naglagay na lang ako ng comment dito sa Claude that I don't like flowers. Ito pala para sa mga yung mahihina sa prompting. Kasi, when I start, ganun ako. So, kung ano-ano lang yung sinasabi ko, tapos sinasabi yun ko minsan sa ChatGPT lang, bobo mo naman, hindi mo magets. Yun pala, after ko nag-attend ng workshop about AI, ako pala yung hindi marunong mag-prompt. Kasi 2026 na ngayon, ChatGPT can make everything as long as you have clear information or clear prompt. So, when you do prompting, make it as clear as possible. So, if you're struggling with English, pwede kayo mag-Tagalog or Bisaya. No worries. ChatGPT or Claude will understand your language, any language. Okay, so after this said, I don't like the flower elements. This is what it gives me. And then, ito na siya. Alright, so since I'm satisfied with this, I move on to the next. Alright, so main important thing in here, once you already set, kung meron na kayong aesthetic ng image na gusto nyo, mention it here. Going forward, we need to maintain this aesthetic para sa lahat ng image na i-generate niya, hindi siya pabago-bago ng background or ng color sa font, sa text. So, that's really important. And then, next is, using, okay, so move na tayo sa next image. So, I did the same thing. So, I uploaded the competitor's image and then said, give me a prompt for this photo. it should be just update. Update the text 80%, change the aesthetic, update colors, slightly revamp the layout. Revamp meaning dapat ibahin niya, hindi ganito pa rin yung structure or layout. And then, yeah, so it's basically the same prompt that I do here. Like, change the layout, 80% different, but keep the messaging. So, same lang siya. So, paulit-ulit lang yan. Okay, so ito na siya. Okay, so minsan pala si ChatGPT nagja-generate ng dalawa and then will ask you if which image is better. So, I choose this because dito, iba yung logo na binigay niya. Dito, same lang. Kaso, hindi siya yung identical sa logo ko. So, ito siya. And then, iba yung itsura niya dito. Like, yung font na gamit, diba? So, what I did is... Okay, hindi na pala ako nag-ask ng ng question. Ang ginawa ko na lang is, I used this same exact prompt. Tapos, nag-chat ako ulit using that, but then I added my new product. So, this is what it gives. So, exact logo na siya. Okay? So, next, I just do it for the next product. Here. Okay. So, ito pala siya. Mali yung prompt ko dito. Nilagyan ko siya ng okay. Naglagay kasi ako ng change model aesthetic. And binigyan niya ako ng Chinese. So, even though I asked to have American model, it doesn't really give me what I asked. So, tinanggal ko na lang tong change the model. Kasi, binigyan pa din naman niya ako ng wait, hindi yan. Hindi din yan. So, ayan. Ito na siya. So, maganda pa din naman siya tingnan. So, go na lang. Tapos, next na naman. Like, paulit-ulit lang yan. Hanggang makabuo ka ng 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 images. Now, let's download the images. Okay. Download pala sa Canva. Canva pala to. And then share. And then download. And then click mo dito. Tapos download mo anong page. Ito yung page 6. So, ito siya. Ang gusto mong i-download. So, I don't want to download the white background. So, hanggang page 2 lang. And then 1. And then download. Okay. Once na download, gawa na tayo. Okay. Gawa na pala. So, price for this, my client mentioned is $13,995. Compare at $80. Compare at, ito yung like naka 50% off. So, since it's 50% off, dapat times 2 yung price niya. Round off na lang dito. So, instead of may butal, i-round off na lang dito. And then, upload mo dito yung na-download natin. So, pwede kayo mag-click na ito ng upload or pwede din yung ginawa ko na drag na lang. Alright, sana meron na tayong product page. Dapat naka-untrack yung inventory para hindi siya mag-sold out. Okay, save na siya. So, hindi na ako naglagay ng product description dito kasi theme yung gagamitin natin. Alright. Now, since we already have a product, ito siya, itsura niya. Kaso, yung images niya, na-carry pa rin sa existing So, yeah. Kasi ito yung theme na naka-live. Pero, iba yung theme na gagamitin natin. I think I already mentioned this one on my Shopify info on how you can import a theme or you can just use the existing theme. Kasi sa client ko lang to, ginawa niya lang to para sa mga students niya and for his store. But normally, dito may mga iba't ibang theme sa Shopify. Ito, Shine theme. Ito yung um, famous sa mga dropshippers. And then, may bayad to siya. Ito din, free lang. Ito, Horizon. Free lang to siya. And then, I'll use the theme. Alright. So, since gumamit ako ng custom theme dito para sa client ko, ang gagawin ko na lang is i-edit ko siya. Wait, change muna natin para di malito siya. Uh, I named it Mist because the product is setting Mist. Kasi, yung client ko is nagbebenta ng one product per store. So, ito yung current product na binibenta. Ako pa din yung gumawa. So, ito yung homepage. Isang product lang talaga siya. Kasi we're selling on TikTok. Okay, she'll get sticks. So, since we're using custom theme for this, for my client, same lang talaga yung itsura niya, but different product lang. Depende on what he is testing. So, kahapon, ito yung ginawa ko sa So, same pa rin pero pambabae lang. Ito yung homepage. It's very simple lang talaga. And then, sa product page. Ito yung tsura niya. So, ito yung mga images na ginawa ko. All AI. Yung same na structure yung ginawa ko kanina. Ayan. And then, gagawin natin to ngayon with our new product. So, let's go back sa Mist. Okay. So, since dinuplicate ko lang to sa last product ko, so gagawin natin ngayon, since we're using new product, we will change everything here. So, sa colors, sa logo. So, pink siya. So, dapat black. That's the logo. So, to change the logo, dito siya sa header. And then, settings. Logo. Here. You can change it here. Here. So, naliba na siya. And then, since pink siya and it doesn't really make sense na product natin ngayon, I'll choose another color accent. So, gagawin ko is ito na lang. So, how to copy this color? You need to have an extension called Pick. Anong tawag dito? Okay, I dropped it. So, you can install that. So, gawin nyo is you go from extensions. Yan. And then, ito. And then, I drop. Marami siyang options, but what I used is itong may ganito, tsura niya. You can use this. So what it does is, so for example, I will be using this product. So gagawin ko lang is click and then pick a color from web. dito, click mo siya, and then ito na siya, lalabas na siya dito. So, you can just copy here instead of just thinking if anong product ba to. I mean, anong color ba to. So, you can just use... Okay, so we'll change this first, the announcement bar. So, to change that, you can just go to color scheme and then edit. Iba-iba pala siya based on the theme, but the way you do it is the same. Okay? So, depende sa theme na ginagamit ng client mo. So, here is the background. And then, change it. Ito na siya. Ganito na yung color. And then, since hindi siya masyadong visible if white ang text, let's change the text here to black. Ayan. Then, we're good to go. So, dito, change din natin since pink siya. Let's have the background white. And then, the text, bring it to black. And then, dito, so, dito niyo siya makikita sa gilid, sa template. So, featured product, let's change. Ito, para ma-change siya sa new product natin, let's change it here. Replace. Ayan na siya. See? And then, wala siyang, dati meron siyang ano dito, diba, bundle. We will do that later. So change din natin tong pink. Click nyo lang yung button. Tapos hanapin nyo dito yung may kulay na pink and then change. Ulit, nandito yung dati part. Color. Alright. So for the buttons, it needs to have intense color para makita agad. So, gawin natin is, increase lang natin yung color niya. Light. Dark. Okay, yeah. And then let's save. And then, let's optimize the product page na. Okay. So, ito okay na siya, but ito is copy pa rin ng product. So, what I do is, I normally have a prompt. I think I already shared how to use that prompt during my intro sa Shopify. You can just check the playlist, how to be a Shopify VA. You can check that out. So, what I do now is yung pinaka-tamad na paggawa ng copy. Since it's only applicable for this because my client is always using the same exact template for the copy. So what I do is send ChatGPT. Okay, start new chat, and then I'll go. Start with this. Go to ChatGPT and then change yung naka-parenthesis. So this is now the new product. So let's change that. And then, alright, competitor product description. Nagawa ko is Control A na lang. Si ChatGPT na bahala mag-intindi ko na hindi dapat to kailangan. So, just paste it here. Okay. So, this you can already use as your headline. Okay. Dito. So you can just replace that. But for this one, we have this emoji benefits in here. So, ginagawa ko is make like this na lang, copy, and then make like this. Okay, so minsan, hindi tama si ChatGPT, nagbibigay siya ng madami since I am only asking for. So, you can just pick kung ano yung make sense sa product mo. So, let's start with this one. Makeup plus, says makeup plus SPF. So it always says makeup, but it really sets makeup. So, I'll just add it manually na lang. So, to change that, since wala siya dito, it's actually a custom liquid. So, again, depende the layout or how you do the design depends on your client's Shopify theme na gagamitin niya. So for this one, you can just follow this one since it's the basic template or theme that we're using. So it will change this. See, it changed na siya. So no need to overthink kasi if your client will be using the Verizon, the Shrine theme or Dawn, walang custom liquid. Sa client ko lang to. So, no need to understand the different HTML codes here. And then, next instance. So, see, and then next, no BC sets to here. Last, Nox makeup up. Alright, we're done here now. So, let's go back to buttons and change. Alright, so now how to take. So, you need to change that as well kasi maki-carry pa yung old how to use niya or how to take. So, again, make like this na tayo. Paste ulit. So, since hindi siya tinitake, use na lang or apply. Ginawa ko dati is how to use na. So, how to apply tayo. Yes. Our guarantee is default. For my client, ito rin yung shipping info is default. So, ito kailangan i-change. Alright, hindi na ako nag-make like this kasi alam naman niya nakadalawang make like this na ako. Send na lang. Copy lang. So, this is actually the easiest way to build a website. So, since you're just starting, so this is perfect. We'll make yung mga mahihirap na website. So, as long as you already know the basic. So, ito change as a flow plus protect. Parang ayoko siya. Okay, so ito din, if you have a very good competitor, tapos maganda yung copy niya, tapos medyo for this one, I don't really like this as my first. Ito, okay naman na siya kaso medyo vague, meaning malabo. So, I'll use this one and then what I can prompt is yung 80% different natin. Make is 80% different, but keep the see, binago lang niya yung words. So let's use that. Stay protected. Click nyo lang siya. Bale, click tapos edit mo siya dito. But you need to bold the benefits. So, basahin nyo lang. This ultra-fine spray keeps your makeup flawless while adding sheer of SPF. Ensure it's smooth. Or your skin stays protected from the sun. Okay. Alright, so for the image, gamitin lang natin yung meron na tayo. So, hanap tayo ng picture na magmamatch sa headline natin. Set and ito na lang. Ito na. And then, ito, make like this ulit. Or, ano lang, since we're making the same product naman. So, medyo siya, medyo mataas or may mahaba pa. So, let's change it. Mas okay na to, kaya kailangan na. Wait. And then, Asian pencil. Then, mataas din siya. Masyado mataas. So, yung mga may benefits lang yung kunin natin. Naka-nag-group siya. Tapos na tayo dyan. Next. Okay, so ginawa ko is gumawa ulit ako ng prompt kasi gusto ko 'tong gayahin. Kasi, these two are the products that I made as well. I mean, for different stores, but same product. So, gagayahin ko lang din siya. So, right, since we have a prompt now, let's do this image na. So again, ano ba yung ginamit ko dito? Right. So, ginawa ko okey. So, yung binigay ng ChatGPT na, headline dito is mahaba siya. So, I need to keep it as short as possible kasi ito yung mangyayari sa kanya. So, kanina square lang 'to, ngayon pahaba na siya. So, dapat konti lang yung, um, description natin kasi, sa mobile, ang pangit titingnan kapag mahaba siya, and 80% of the customers are coming from mobile. So, you need to remember that as well kasi every client know about that. So, you need to optimize. So, minsan nga, yung client ko is nagpapa-edit ng mobile lang, tapos hayaan na lang yung desktop na iba yung itsura. So, yan. Aliitin natin siya. Step pa tapos to. Okay. So, ito yung binigay niya. Iba na naman yung logo niya. So, what we can do is copy this and respond to this chat and mention, wait, this is what the prompt generated. As you can see on the second image uploaded from the logo from the full image is different. Not the user updated prompt. Alright, so while waiting, let's finish all the copy. 2-day guarantee. Ito pa pala. So, spread to. Okay, so medyo mahaba siya, pero if you can see, medyo square pa din naman. So, okay lang. Or liitan na natin. Konti. Mas okay to siya. Mas maliit. Copy na. Alright, I'm copying exactly the competitor headline, but hindi naman entirely. So, that's fine. So, way back 2016, I think yan yung ginagawa namin. So, naghanap kami ng mga competitor. Walang pang ChatGPT. Or if meron na, hindi namin alam. Nag-open or naghanap kami ng mga 10 na competitors, and then kumukuha kami ng mga copy isa-isa para hindi siya exactly duplicate. Hindi kami maka-copyright. So again, bold, traditional source response. Please. Siya pwede lahat kasi. Make your skin. Wala na siya. So, sabi ko dito, sige sa'yo. Update na lang natin to. Make sure my logo have is spelled correctly. Alright. So, ginawa ko is, inedit ko lang yung prompt ko. Di na ako nag-reply pa. Kasi one tip as well, if hindi tama yung output niya, update your prompt. So, yun yung ginawa natin. Let's see if so, ito pa rin. So, again, just update your prompt. Right. So, ito, naka-default na to siya for my client. So, I don't need to change it. Change na lang is color. So, naka-pink pa rin. Alright. So, we're done na. picture na lang. Nutra have. Ayaw pa. Ito na. Let's try this. Ito pala, nagbigay pala siya na ano. The AI keeps struggling with bottle of text seriously because it removed the text from the bottle and tried fix the Canva afterward. Ooh, okay. Bibigyan niya pa ako. Oh. Hmm. So let's put this down. Mhm. Alright. So while waiting, let's add the bundle or reduce them. So how to add reviews? I I've showed you already with my previous video. So we will use Smoox and then manage review and then import review. Okay, so for this we'll be using custom file, meaning spreadsheet yung gagamit. So upload, but we don't have it yet. So we will put to get this, please check my previous video. I already shown you how to make a copy or even download this template from Looks. So, Celaro. Si ako pa din yung gumawa nito. So, andito pa rin yung copy ko. Duplicate ko na lang siya. Para di ako malito. But for you, if you will make one, by default, isa lang siya. So, no need to go through this. Okay, I'm opening new tab para andito pa rin siya if ever import na ako. So, I need to create the new tab para kunin ko yung URL ng product. So, to get this product handle pala, go back to your product and then dito sa baba, ito siya. Yan yung product handle. So, product handle, if your client will say, give me the handle or change the handle, dito nyo siya i-change. Handle is yung text after ng products na change. Ito siya. And same pa din yung lang. Okay. And then, go back to your chat GPT, mention, give me, ilan ba ito? 24 customer reviews for those products. So, by default, if ganyan lang yung prompt niya, ang ibibigay niya is, let's see, meron siyang mga stars. Okay, good. Normally, bibigay niya is meron ng mga stars, meron pang reviewer's name. But since I've been using this ChatGPT a lot, I think alam na niya kung ano yung gusto ko. So, ayan. Ito. Wala na siyang stars. However, may mga space siya. See ya. See, pahirap siya i-manual. Siya. So, what you can do is reply, remove, remove. Para siya na yung mag-remove. See, wala na. So, it's easy to copy-paste. Let's see. Ayan na siya. See? Now, let's control. Ayan siya. May mga images na ako dito, but since we're using the same product, hindi ko na lang siya i-change. So, check my previous video. Meron din akong tutorial on how you can add or find images para sa review. And then names, female names, of course. Okay, download na siya. And then back here, and then upload mo yung CSV pala tawag dito. CSV. Pag, and because we download via CSV. So, CSV lang yung tatanggapin ni Look. So, make sure you download as a CSV file. So, yan, importing in progress. Tapos na tayo dyan. Next, Kaching. So, Kaching is, walang Kaching. Ayan, ito. We will make this. So, by default, wala siya dito. Let's make art. So, go to apps and then Kaching, and then on the dashboard, it will show you the available bundles na ginawa niya na. So, duplicate na lang para mas madali. I think my previous video, I showed you how to create bundle from scratch, but for this one, para mas madali, duplicate ko na lang and then change, i-remove mo yung product na naka-assign and select your new product. Ito na siya. And then, since naka-set up na siya lahat, change na lang natin yung color. So, color is under style. Border color. Tap natin yung color na gamit natin. Ayan. Ayan. See, nag-change na yung border. Border is, ito yung gilid. Then, background. Medyo light dapat. Ayan. Copy paste. Alright, so, ano siya. Next, ito. Naka-pink pala siya. Yan is, ito siya, countdown. So, let's change the color. Pwede din mas lighter. Ayan. Save. Wait. Confirm step. Hala. 41 by 1 get 1 group. Okay. Mali. Price. 24.95. Sorry. And then comparison. Alright, so since dinuplicate natin is buy 1, buy 2, buy 3 lang, but the client's requirement is for the offer it's buy 1, get 1 free, buy 2, get 3. So let's change it. So keep natin yung buy 1. Price, now let's change the price. So since nagbigay siya ng price, ito, $34.95 plus $4.95 shipping, change natin that. Fixed price instead of full price. So, and then supply. So, hindi siya supply. No need to do. So, So, ito. By 2. So, ito siya sa bar 2, meaning by 2. So, again, fixed price. What is that? Same. 34.95 plus free shipping. Okay. So, it's still 5. So, instead of buy 2, title, change natin to buy 1, get 1. And then, tanggalin natin siya. Simple. So, ito, naka-free shipping na siya. So, free shipping is under the label. And that's this buy 2, get 2. It's still buy 3. Okay. Forgot. So, since buy, okay, tama. So, dapat naka-quantity 2 to siya. So, sa buy 3, since buy 3 lang to siya originally, so we'll do buy 2 get 2 free, meaning 4 yung ma-receive niya. So, sa quantity, you need to change it as well. Okay? So, again, fixed price, uh, 59.95 plus free shipping, save 10. So, meaning 59.95, and then dito, free shipping pa dito is save 10. So, dito, save. Yan. Then save. Okay. Now, ito na siya. Yes. And then, when you go back sa online store, tapos themes, tapos balik kayo sa okay, lalabas na siya dito. So, hindi talaga siya ganun kapangit kapag nasa live view na siya. But for this one, nasa stretch kasi siya dito sa editor. And naka-peso siya by default kasi naka-geo location ng store ng client ko. So, right, so we already have everything. Wait, free shipping first. So, to change that, click nyo lang siya, tapos ito siya sa announcement. So, ito na lang yung kulang. Let's see what we do. Yan naman, tamad na naman. Okay. Try natin. Okay. Gagawin ko is mag-create ako ng new chat. So, ito mangyayari kapag palagi siyang nagre-rebut. Hindi na siya sumusunod. Minsan. So, gagawin ko is new chat na lang. So, upload mo yung product image, tapos yung product model. Let's say, so, ako na yung nagpo-prompt, hindi na si Claude. So, circulate this large ratio meaning size. Size ng image. So, 1:1 meaning square. And then, create image. Let's see if much better. Alright, so we're done actually. Ito na lang yung talaga yung kulang. So, ayan. Meron tayong FAQ. Meron na tayo, eto, nag-appear na yung reviews na ginawa natin. Oh, typing po. Let's change. Yan. And then, nag-appear na din yung bundle natin. So, ito na lang talaga yung kulang download. Much better siya. So, yeah, let's use this. Much better kapag fresh yung memory niya. So, you can do that as well. Alright, so we're done. Alright, so ganyan lang. So, this is it. Yung pinakamadaling version ng paggawa ng website with Shopify. Alright, so now that we already have finished the course, we will make a portfolio for the next video. Thank you.